how to apply for Costco Anywhere Visa Card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can apply for Costco Anywhere Visa Card online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First thing first, you have to be a Costco member to apply. If you're not one yet, you have to sign up online through the Costco.com, or you could also visit nearby Costco warehouse. So if you would like to sign up to get the member, you have to head over to our browser, head over to Costco.com. Then from this, you could simply sign up. You could head over to account. There you may have an option to sign up. So once you're here, you could go to join today under Costco member, then create one account. So once you're done with that, now to apply for the Visa card, what you have to do is you have to head over to the Costco.com/credit card, or you could directly search for Costco Citi Visa on Google. So you could close Costco and in the search bar, you could search for Costco Citi Visa and search for it. Now you could head over to the first link, that is citi.com. Now once you are on this page, all you have to do is tap on apply now. So once you are here, scroll down a bit and there you could select the card. Then here tap on apply now. Once you're here, tap on continue. After that, you may have to provide your personal information such as your Costco membership number, your full name, contact info, date of birth, annual income, and other details. So make sure that you double check everything before you submit. And once you submit the application, you might get an instant approval, or Citi might take a few days to review your information. Once approved, your physical card to arrive in 7 to 10 business days, and that's it. That's how you can apply for Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi Online. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.